Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in Weebly. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or removing a site you no longer need, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Weebly account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that contains the website you want to delete, as this is crucial for accessing the right dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Weebly homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your sites and settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled My Site and click on it. This section displays all of your existing websites that are currently active under your account, giving you a complete overview of your web properties. Now scroll through the list of websites until you find the specific one you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct site, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you've located it, direct your attention to the lower right corner of that website's preview card. You'll notice 3 dots, which is a menu icon that opens additional options for managing that particular site. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, look for Delete Site and click it. This is the final step that removes the website from your account entirely. Weebly may prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to proceed with the deletion, so confirm your choice if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your website from Weebly. This frees up space in your account and helps you keep your dashboard organized with only the sites you're actively using. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.